One Seafarer intrinsic value 22 million euros, disruption 285. I guess no one has really calculated the intrinsic value of one seafarer hero, of course, employed by utility hero ship owner, that then bring this revenue, this income to the country. It is the biggest ever investment in your country, one seafarer. So please treat them like heroes, because they are. It is the only profession in this planet that brings so much revenue to each country. Imagine 20,000 euros. Let's go for the basic start, or 1,300 approx minimum wage 2025 in Spain times 12, or equals 8 months joining, embarking, generating 20,000. Just divide per month how much it is. Then that's one seafarer. Whoa. We, the economists and the statisticians, we know that that's a direct job, generating 10 indirect. I did not say this. During COVID, many politicians started to learn about this. So why not make the use and put them into another level? Perhaps they learn something else today. Well, let's pray for that. Then we have 11 times 20, that's 220,000. That's per year. 100 years, as we calculate, the investors is 22 million. Yes, intelligent investors calculate everything 100 years. Of course, then we have to be fit enough to live. And you too. That's the best investment. Live a long life. So if we have 22 million, one seafarer, and there is something, the statistics about like 20,000 in Spain, yes. So multiply. These are fishing labor force today, plus 30,000 from Senegal in Spain today. Yeah, we are doing 50,000, aren't we? Multiply 50,000 times 22 million. Then, like this, we can get up to the total world seafarers, which is 4 million. Okay, ratings have 20 or 30 or 40. This is just a mean, average, a statistical value, so we don't mess up. And the government really learned this lesson. So please, think about investing in these courses that I mentioned before.